Hi friends, this is Mr. Chika from Dubiss Forex Academy. Okay, I'm back here again to give us a weekly forex forecast. The weekly forex forecast is going to span through the Monday 18th of July, all through Friday the 22nd. So we're going to look at what the market will give us from today being 18th, Monday 18th of July up to Friday the 22nd of July. Okay, now if you go to our forex calendar, we can find out that we have some news that will be playing out this week. Okay, already Sunday we have NZB high volatility news. Then Monday we have all JPY having their bank holiday. Then apart from that, GBP there will be FPC members speaking. That should be by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. Tuesday we have AUD monetary policy minute meeting will be read out. Okay, so pay attention on that meeting. That should take place on Tuesday by 2:30 a.m. Okay, monetary policy meeting for AUD. So there will be volatility news on AUD. Then for GBP, someone will be speaking. Their Bank of England, Central Bank of England governor will be speaking. That should be Monday afternoon. Then on Wednesday, AUD also will move. That should be in the midnight Nigerian time, 12 a.m. So pay attention. Then we have GBP CPI news coming up on Wednesday. CPI news on Wednesday. Still on Wednesday we have Canadian news. The same CPI. So pay attention on Canadian news Wednesday. Thursday we have Bank of Japan. There will be a news on Bank of Japan. There's no specific time, but pay attention because you know that there will be volatility on JPY. That should be on Thursday. And then see that Thursday we have Euro monetary policy meeting. So we might see a move in Euro. You know, Euro pair has been going down. Okay, so let's see what ECB will offer us that Thursday. Okay, the house we might see a bullish trend on Euro because I know they will try to bring up Euro again. Then Friday we have Euro again. The PA German flash manufacturing PMI. Okay, that will be coming up on Friday. Then USD, the same flash service PMI. So these are some news that will be coming during the week. So pay attention to these news. But anyway, in as much as the news will be coming out, we'll go to our chart to look at the technical part of the chart. Okay, so before us here is the dollar index. The dollar index. Remember, dollar index carries the whole of dollar, USD, dollar pair. Okay, so from what we are seeing here, we can see a nice inverted hammer acting on dollar index. Nice inverted hammer on the daily. Okay, let's look a bit on the weekly. Weekly, we saw a move up and it was rejected. Then going that is your Thursday. Thursday we have a nice inverted hammer. Okay, nice inverted hammer. So it's playing out. So what next? Now, what do we do? So if you watch from the chart, you see that we already reached my chart. We already have some support, resistance somewhere there. So what do we do? So around 106.97. So we have a first resistance that might turn support. First resistance that might turn support. So how do we go about it? Just look closely. Let's go. Now, so if you watch from here, see that we have this guy. at this zone. Look at this zone. Look at this zone. Okay, so around 106.65 there we have a support zone there. Support zone there. So what happened? What do we think that might happen in this price? Let's go. On the weekly we have, let's adjust that support and resistance on the weekly. That resistance, this is where it should be. Okay, so let's go to the daily. So on the daily, you can see that we have a nice support, resistance support, okay, at around 106.75. So what else? So we believe that this market will drop here, okay. Before then, let's go to page 4 chart, so that we'll be able to get this chart, this price. So you see we have a bearish candle playing out. So what do we do next? We believe that price will drop in this support zone, okay. Perhaps we might get a little bounce. Then if the bears still continue, we might not see price move further down. And when price moves further down, we can target this. Okay. Let me just be nice to us. We have this zone. Okay. So further down, we have this zone. Price continue, we cannot get this other bigger drop. But how do we approach this guy? So dollar index is good for a sell, a 4, okay? It's good for a 4. So what we see there is that price is already going in that direction. So if you like trading that, or you are using it to watch other USD, this guy will go down, okay? When it goes down, first target should be here. Okay. So we have our first target for dollar index. First target for dollar index should be around 106.76, okay? 106, okay? 106 area. Okay, so first target, yeah. Then further down, see dollar index playing out at around 103 zone. But first of all, let's go for the one we can be able to catch, okay? So target this whole zone. Then later on we'll see what will happen in the future, okay? So first target is around 106.5 or 76. That is for dollar index. I know whatever happened to dollar index will give us inverse of US, okay? Euro US. So it means that in dollar index is going down. It means that Euro USD will be seen as upward momentum, okay? So let's go to Euro USD and see what is happening. Okay. Last week, okay, let me remove this so that I can be plain. I can analyze everything here, okay? Now, last week we saw Euro. Those of you that we are trading Euro, we saw that Euro find it hard to go below the parity zone. Okay. Find it difficult to move below here. Went down and it was rejected. So what is happening now? You can see that the bulls are stepping for Euro USD. This is the daily chart. Okay, the bulls are stepping. So if you also look at this candle, just inverse of dollar index. Inverse of dollar index. If you go to daily, you see that we have inverted hammer here, and on Euro USD we have the hammer building up. So what is it telling us? That Euro USD is on the buy. Euro USD have stepped in. The buyer, the bulls have stepped in on Euro USD. So whatever happens to the DSY, we invariably affect Euro USD. So it means that if DXY is going down, Euro USD should be going up. So on this now, we see the bulls have stepped in for Euro USD. So having stepped in, what next are we expecting? What are we expecting on Euro USD? Now, for us to go to Euro USD chart, we have to get a level of support and resistance. So previously, we can watch this zone. This is my weekly chart. I want to get those support and resistance zone. Previously, we find out that we have a nice support on this zone. Okay. Previously, we have a nice support. We have a nice support on this zone. Okay. So we have a support on this zone. And if you equally watch, that was where Euro USD, this is weekly chart, okay, price hit there and bounce. This is the first price hit there, first bounce, hit again and bounce. Let's see, the first time after this support made out here, we saw that price when it hit that zone, it bounced, give almost 300 pips, went further again, bounced, give almost 200 and something pips. Okay, so this guy, if we seem to play out, okay, we see that this support will act what as a resistance. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. Okay, on the daily, we can see price is already moving in that direction. Let's go to H4. So on the H4, you can see that zone. So this is the zone where, please pay attention on this zone. Okay, pay attention on this zone. But before price gets to that zone, first of all, we can get those other lower zone. Okay, so if you look at this, we see that price, look at this zone. If you watch this area, okay, this area, okay, if you watch, we have this area that was previous support. Even when price gets towards that, it becomes what? A resistance. So let me draw something like this there. Okay, so for Euro USD, if you are not yet on that trade, okay, you can go for a buy, or if you have any, if there is any little retracement, Euro USD is good for a buy. Okay, it's good for a buy. It's good for a buy. So I don't know if we can get any retracement. Let me go to my H1 chart. H1 chart. Okay. Now, from what we're seeing here, if this price will keep to retrace, okay, go for it. But if you get any retracement, okay, any retracement around this zone, it will be good for a buy. Look at this zone, okay. So because this guy have moved up, so for me I might expect a little retracement. So this guy will be good for a buy. Or in case the market didn't give you that buy, that little retracement, you can continue with the price. Okay, you can continue with the price. When you continue with the price, we expect this guy to get to this zone. Okay, so this should be your first target zone. First target zone. First target zone. So getting this first target zone, that should be around, so pay attention on this price area. For Euro USD around 1.0718. Okay. Let's go to H4. So further up. Okay. So further up. Further up, we should be seeing Euro USD move towards we see Euro USD move towards 103 1.035. our second target for Euro USD. Euro USD. So Euro USD is good for a buy. In case you didn't give any retracement, you can take the buy or target this zone, okay, or target this other zone. So the chart is very clear. That is why I gave it to. Okay, so here could also be good for a buy. Then target this zone. Okay, so I haven't done that. What next? Let's look at what is happening to USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. These are some of the charts we see target zone. Okay, but let's bring in US Canadian dollar. Okay, so let's see what this chart is giving us. This chart, first of all, let's see weekly. Let's see. Okay, so on the weekly, we see price actually went up and got rejected. Okay, the weekly, let's go. If you look at USD Canadian dollar weekly, we can see that this guy is on and is an uptrend. Okay, an uptrend. But hence is in an uptrend. What do? We can look for price. We don't look the uptrend. We look for what the price is presenting to us. But I would say that if you're able to do this, you watch. Let's go here. We saw that previously we are having resistance. Okay, so let's get some of this resistance zone. Let's get some of this on the weekly. Okay, what I'll do is I'll get that support and resistance using a lower time frame. Okay, so let's go. So we see that price actually came somewhere here and rejected. So we're going to look at that. Let's go to daily. We're looking for opportunity in this market. So let's see what this chart is presenting for us on the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, if you look at this point, if you look at this zone, you see that we have a resistance. What happened is that market broke out from this resistance. So look at the resistance. You can see it clearly. See that we have this resistance. Okay, price has done what? Broke out from this resistance. So price has broke out from this resistance and price is coming down. Okay, so we can find where this guy is going. Okay, so if we go further, we can see that we have another resistance. Okay, another resistance for us that might turn support on the daily. So look at this zone again. Follow me. You can see that we have a resistance. Price broke it to return back. So you can see it play out here. Okay, now what's next? For what we are seeing currently, where we are seeing, we see price because the bears are stepping and they are aggressive. So let's go to H4. So on H4, what will happen is that this guy, okay, if you are looking for a buy setup on this guy, this zone will be okay. So peradventure, you can take advantage of this drop. Okay, when you take this drop that is currently taking place, we can place a target here for a sell. Okay, so what is happening? This guy is good for a sell. You can go for the sell, then you target. So this guy is good for a sell at this zone. Okay, it's good for a sell at this zone. Or in case we see any retracement, okay, around this zone, in case you see a retracement around this zone, you can equally go for it. So you can equally go for it. Okay, then target, this should be our target. So our our target zone to be around 1.9 zone. Okay, so USD Canadian dollar will be good for a sell. Then target this zone. Okay, then if the market moves further down, we can look at what the price will give us. Okay, so having said that, let's see Euro chef goes. Euro chef, I've been watching this chart for a very long time. Okay, and I know this guy is already on a good zone. Okay, what's happening to my internet? Okay, now let's go on Euro chef. I have series of support. Price has reached the support zone. Okay, so if you look at this info, you see that several times price consolidated here. This is what they call a accumulation. Price accumulated in this zone. Okay, so what next? I believe from this zone, hence did not enter. This guy is good for a buy in this zone. A buy, so price is already on the buy zone. Okay, price is already on a buy zone, but because the price has moved, okay, perhaps if you get a bit of retracement, okay, you can go for it. Otherwise, take your buy immediately. Take your buy, because if you equally watch price, we have this little zone here. Can you see it? Cool. So in case you see a good retracement, otherwise this guy is good for a buy at this zone. This guy is good for a buy at this zone. So when you take your buy, first target, let's see first target. Okay, in case you don't understand what I'm doing, okay, if you do attend my class, you observe that this guy that is resistance support, when price comes into turn resistance. So my students already know this. Okay, you already know what I'm doing here. So what next? We can see price. Okay, we can see price getting to this point again. So your target for this guy should be around 0.99. So Euro chef is already good for a buy. Okay, good for a buy. Can take the buy. You target this zone 0.9953. Okay, so further up or further buying, okay, can now go for it. That should be around 1 point. 1 point 0.045. Okay, that should be the next target for Euro chef. So what is there is a Euro chef is good for a buy. Okay, you can see if you get any retracement, go for it. Otherwise, take the buy and target this zone. Okay, so having said that, let's go. Let's check. Okay, let's see our GBP JPY. Our GBP JPY. If you look at closely, you see that price. Those of you that understand chart, see we have on my H1. Okay, on my H1 chart, we can see price giving us. When you bring in your trend line, okay, trend line, you see that price is trying to break this guy, and as price is doing that, let's see this guy from this zone, price bouncing off from this zone. So what's next? GBP chart, for what I'm seeing currently, and if you also look closely, see that we have a support here, a resistance. So if this guy plays out very well, we might see a drop from this zone. So GBP JPY is good for itself. GBP JPY is good for itself. Okay, GBP JPY is good for a sell at this zone. So GBP JPY good for a sell. So you go for that sell. Let's see price will return back to this support. Okay, so you can say target around 161. Okay. So we can see to have this target around 161 zone. So this guy is good for a sell. Okay, it's good for a sell. Then target this zone. Okay, let's see card. If you watch, I'm analyzing pair that is before us. Okay, let's go NZD. This was the former analysis I did. That should be last 2 weeks. Okay, that here to be a buy. If you watch, this price is eventually moving in that direction. If you watch, price have activated, moving. Okay, so this one, it only take those that are swing traders. Okay, swing traders to take this trade or still remain in this trade. So let's see, this guy have moved almost 140 pips, but currently around 130 something pips, and it's still going. So I still believe that NZD chart will still get to that point. Okay, but let's see, as it's moving in this direction, do we still maintain this? Yes. Okay, we still maintain this target zone. So the only thing I will do is that this final target zone should be equally displaying now. So I believe market will still come back to this next line of this harmonic. Okay, that should be around this zone. So I still believe that market will still get to that point. Okay, market will still get to this one around 0.6193. But let me adjust this TP1 zone. TP1 zone. If you watch TP1 zone, look at what I want to do there. So look at this zone. I believe the market will get to the first target now. Okay, so in case you are still on that trade, the first target for this guy, the first target should be around this zone, which is 0.6081. Then further up will be this trend line. Okay, that's for GBP chart. Okay, we'll talk about this guy. Let's see AUD USD. Sorry, GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Let's see what this guy is giving us. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Currently, this guy, okay, giving us the more you look, the less, the more you look, the less you see. But in as much as we are having this, let's see. This guy, I can see this guy giving us this slope down. Okay, giving us this slope down. And you also, if you watch closely, you see that we have this zone. Okay. Okay. So I believe that GBP AUD is still a downtrend. Hence, it's still a downtrend. What do? I will expect price, okay, to get towards this zone and give us a nice drop. When it gives us a nice drop, we can now start looking at around this zone for TP. Okay, for TP. So this is the zone where we are looking at GBP AUD. So paraventure, if we're able to get a retracement somewhere here will be good for itself. Here here will be good for a sell. Okay, so if you have that, if that one plays out good for a sell, then what do? We target this zone. We target this zone. So our target zone for GBP AUD is around 170, 900. Okay, 170,900. Let's see what this guy is giving us for GBP, Euro GBP. Okay, so if you watch from my chart, you see that price was actually broke out from this trend line, give us a nice drop. Okay, get to this support. So what's next? What's next on Euro GBP? Okay, so we can see price have already started moving. Okay, looking at this candle is already good for a buy. Okay, so what do we do next? What to do next here is let's go here. So here we see a nice price bounce out from this support zone and have gone up. So what are we expecting on this pair? Okay, in case we see any retracement like as we are getting, okay, so any nice move here, we should expect a buy. Any nice drop, we should expect a buy. So Euro GBP is good for a buy. Okay, Euro GBP is good for a buy. Okay, it would be nice if the price retrace, give a little retracement. We cannot go for this buy around this zone. Okay, so as you can see it coming down. So when we get that retracement, we go for that buy. I will target this zone. Target this zone. Okay, so if you go for that buy, this guy will be good, and our TP will be our target will be in this zone. So that is for Euro GBP. So Euro GBP will be good for a buy. If we get any retracement, then we target this zone for our TP. Okay, let's go. Okay, what will happen is that I might be ending. Okay, let's just take a USD CHF. Let's see what USD CHF is presenting to us. So if you also look, this was the previous chart for those who like trading tools. Okay, this was our previous chart. Market activated and moved towards actually we hit our TP, but close to our TP. Okay, so move almost 20 something 300 pips. Okay, but what are we having next now? Let's go. Now, for what we are seeing on the chart, just as dollar index is dropping, USD CHF should be equally going that same direction. But if you look at this chart, you see that we have nice rejection. Okay, we have nice rejection here on this zone. So this is what is pushing this guy down, this rejection area. Okay, and in that rejection, you can see that that was a nice resistance zone. So price tested that zone. When it came there, so we have this rejection, this pullback, and price is dropping down. Okay, now as price is dropping down, what are we expecting on this chart? What we're expecting on this chart, look at this zone. So somewhere here, this price is coming down. So I will believe that price will move down, getting to this zone. Okay, this move down because if you watch, it has broken USD check, I believe, will be going down. It has broken out from this neckline. Okay, so let's see. So if this guy is anything to go by, okay, as long as price remains below this zone, okay, you go for it for itself. Okay, go for it for itself. This should be our target zone. So meanwhile, we go for it for itself. So this guy will be good for itself. Our paraventure, we see a little retracement. This USD check is good for what? A sell. Okay? A sell. So it targets this zone for our TP. So TP, first TP live. Down. It goes further down. Okay, it goes further down. Our next target is this zone. Okay, so that is for USD check. But better off, okay, for you to get a nice setup, because you can see this guy is trying to pull out. Okay, you can wait for price. Once you see price below this our zone here, go for it. Okay, and if you go for it below that zone, you have around 68 pips target. Okay, so you can just wait patiently for price. If it goes continue below this zone, go for it. Otherwise, if you get any retracement around this zone, okay, you can go for it. That's for USD CHF. So finally, let's look at USD JPY. From our chart here, we got that price gave us this as the resistance. Okay, somewhere here, price gave us a nice support right from the H4 chart. Okay, so what are we expecting? If you watch, this guy was using a support somewhere here. So what is it telling us? Price broke out from this zone. So what are we expecting of this guy? A nice pull up. Okay? So we expect a buy. We expect price moving further up here. So as price do that, target this zone. Okay. So this guy is already good for a buy. This guy is already good for a buy. So our target, first target should be this zone. First target should be this zone. First target this zone. So this guy is already good for a buy. So let's target this zone. That is 144, 1.41. So this is our first target zone. Then this is our next target zone. So for further up. Okay. So I'll be ending this analysis here. I'll also bring analysis during the week. Okay. So just enjoy this. You don't need to trade all the currency pair. Take few of them. Make as good profit as you can. Then all of us will enjoy it together. Okay. So I'll just end this analysis at this point. So I wish you a very successful trading week. Have a nice day. Bye.